Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add automatic serial numbers to your databases in Notion. This is a simple but extremely useful feature for organizing tasks, tracking inventory, managing projects, or keeping large databases easier to navigate. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create a serial number column that updates automatically whenever new entries are added. Let's get started. First, open the Notion database where you want to add serial numbers. This can be a task tracker, contact list, inventory table, project board, or any database that contains multiple entries. Once you're inside the table view, look across the top row of your database columns and click the plus icon to add a new property. From the list of available property types, select ID. If you don't immediately see it, you can use the search bar or scroll through the property options until you find it. As soon as you add the ID property, Notion will automatically generate serial numbers for every row in the database. The numbering starts automatically and continues increasing as you add new entries, meaning you never have to manually type or organize numbers yourself. This is especially useful for larger databases because it reduces mistakes and saves time compared to manually numbering rows, like you would in a spreadsheet. Now let's customize the serial numbers a little further. Click on the new ID column and select Edit Property. Inside the settings, you'll find options that allow you to customize how the serial numbers appear. For example, you can add a prefix before each number. If you're organizing products, you could use something like item so your entries display as item-1, item-2, and so on. For customer records, you might use client or user depending on your workflow. Adding prefixes can make your database feel more organized and help identify entries more quickly, especially when working with large projects or multiple databases. If you're unsure which format or prefix to use right now, don't worry too much about getting it perfect immediately. One of the best things about using Notion is how flexible it is. You can always return later to change the format, update the prefix, or adjust how the serial numbers appear as your database grows. For even better organization, consider moving the serial number column to the far left side of your database. To do this, simply click and drag the column into position. This makes the serial numbers the first thing you see when viewing each row, making navigation and identification much easier. One of the biggest advantages of using automatic serial numbers in Notion is that the system updates itself automatically as your database grows. Every new item instantly receives the next available number without requiring any manual work. And that's it. You've successfully added automatic serial numbers to your Notion database, helping make your workspace cleaner, more organized, and easier to manage. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you'd like to see more practical Notion tips and database tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.